Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. This video will discuss 7 steps to make more money at your job in this video. Making more money at your job may seem complicated, but with the right tools and strategies in hand, it can be done. These tips won't necessarily get you a raise or a promotion overnight, but if implemented correctly, they will help improve your situation over time. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step number 1: Ask for a promotion. In today's economy, being proactive about increasing your salary is more important than ever. Asking for a promotion is the first step in the process. By proactively putting yourself forward for a higher level position, you are showing your employer that you are committed to your career and willing to take on additional responsibility. In addition, asking for a promotion demonstrates that you are confident in your abilities and ready to take on new challenges. If you successfully secure a promotion, you will receive a pay increase and the opportunity to further develop your skills and experience. As such, asking for a promotion is an essential first step in increasing your salary. Step number 2: Ask for a raise. Asking for a raise can be a tricky proposition. Still, if you do your homework and approach the situation confidently, you stand a good chance of getting the salary increase you deserve. The first step is determining what other people in your position are making. This can be done through online research or by talking to people in your network. Once you have an idea of the going rate for your position, it's time to put together a proposal explaining why you deserve a raise. Be sure to highlight your accomplishments and point to any ways you have gone above and beyond your job description. If you can back up your request with complex data, all the better. With a bit of preparation, asking for a raise doesn't have to be a daunting task. By taking the time to do your research and put together a strong case, you increase your chances of getting the salary increase you deserve. Step number 3: Take on additional work assignments or projects. Adding additional assignments or projects to your workload may not be the most glamorous ways to earn a raise, but it is effective. Showing your boss that you're willing to go above and beyond your regular job duties demonstrates dedication and initiative, two highly valued qualities in any workplace. In addition, taking on extra work can help you develop new skills and refine existing ones, making you even more valuable to your company. So, if you're looking for a raise, do not be afraid to ask more responsibility at work. It could be the key to earning the salary you deserve. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Step number 4: Become more efficient with your time. One of the most important things you can do to earn more money is to become more efficient with your time. If you can find ways to get things done faster, you'll have more time to take on extra work and boost your earnings. Here are a few tips for becoming more efficient. First, list what needs to be done each day and prioritize your tasks. Second, set aside specific times for working on each task so that you're not wasting time trying to figure out what to do next. Third, learn to say no. If you're too busy with other commitments, you won't be able to focus on being efficient. Next, delegate or outsource tasks you don't have time for. This will free up your schedule so that you can focus on the most critical task. Lastly, take breaks when you need them. If you're feeling overwhelmed, taking a short break can help you refocus and feel refreshed. By following these steps, you'll be well to become more efficient and boost your earnings. Step number 5. Learning new skills or update existing skills. In today's competitive job market, ensuring your skills are up to date is important than ever. Whether you're looking to update existing skills or learn new ones, attending workshops, reading books, or taking online courses is a great way to improve your abilities. Not only will this make you more attractive to potential employers, but it can also lead to salary increase. After all, businesses are always looking for employees who are knowledgeable and capable of meeting the demands of the job. Investing in your development shows you're committed to being the best possible employee, and that's something any employer would be willing to pay for. So if you're looking to increase your salary, don't forget to invest in your development. It's an investment that is sure to pay off. Step number 6. Negotiate for a better benefit package. In today's job market, ensuring you're getting the best possible benefit package from your employer is more important than ever. Negotiating for a better benefit package can be a great way to increase your salary without having to ask for a raise outright. Here are a few things to keep in mind when negotiating for a better benefits package. First, ensure you know your company's current policy on benefits and salaries. This will give you a starting point for your negotiations. Second, be prepared to explain why you deserve a better benefits package. Be specific about what you're looking for and have data or examples to support your case. Finally, remember that it's always worth asking. Even if your company doesn't budge on the salary front, you may be able to get some other great benefits like flexible working arrangements or health insurance, so don't be afraid. Step number 7. Be proactive and positive. By lending a helping hand, you increase your value to the company and make yourself more visible and therefore more likely to be promoted. Smiling and being friendly is also important, making you more approachable and likable. People are more likely to want to work with someone pleasant and easy to get along with. Saying hello to everyone you see shows that you are a team player interested in meeting new people. All of these behaviors send a positive message to your boss and colleagues, making it more likely that you will be seen as an asset to the company. So, next time you're at work, remember to step up and be proactive, positive, and helpful. It could end up being worth it in the long run. The 7 steps we've outlined should help you get started on the path to making more money at your job. Remember, these tips are not a one-size-fits-all solution, so be sure to tailor them to fit your unique situation and career goals. What are strategies have you used to make more money at work? Share your tips in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.